Hi, I'd like to show you where I am on restoring this old sewing machine. This is an Adler Model 67. It's imported by a company called Chandler. It was made in about 1955, best I can tell. It was first used in a sewing school, and then it was used in a home drapery business. And then it sat in an attic for about 25 years. So I got it about 2 years ago, and to get started I had to build the table for it. And then I cleaned up the machine, and I've been adding some accessories like lights and pedals and things like that. But now I think it's ready to sew. The machine is a all-metal machine. It's got a very heavy cast iron frame. It's a mechanical machine, so all the controls such as the stitch length and tension and so forth are all done through knobs and manual levers. The machine is a straight stitch machine. It's got what they call a walking foot, which makes it ideal for doing heavy materials. It's quite a powerful machine.
I replaced the slip clutch motor that came with it with this servo drive. It can be dialed down to much lower speeds, and which gives me much better control. I probably could have never sewn with the high-speed motor that was on it. The machine had provision for a knee-actuated presser foot lift, but I didn't have the under-table hardware for it. But I found on eBay some hardware made by a company called Kansu, which makes a competitive machine, and it looked like it was going to do the job, and so I ordered it, and in fact it seems to be working pretty well.
Well, let's see if this machine can sew. I've got a piece of naugahyde here, and I'm going to fold it over to make a seam. Go in just a little bit, drop the presser foot down. We've got a little tension on the threads, and so I'm going to start up the machine slowly. Do about ½ inch. Now do about another ½ inch in reverse. And now I'm going to go down the length of it. I can control the speed quite nicely, so for beginners like me, it makes it pretty easy. Go down to the end here. I'll reverse it, close off the stitch. And go forward just a little bit more. All right, and we'll call it quits. See how it looks. Let's try our luck with 3 layers of naugahyde. Looks like a perfect stitch.